procesu priprave novega nacionalnega programa za izobraževanje odraslih za obdobje 2021-2030. Pri tem je pomembno, da združimo moči različna ministrstva, različne politike in seveda različni deležniki, torej gospodarstvo, sindikati, različni izvajalci, raziskovalne razvojne inštitucije in pa seveda drugi izvajalci, ki izvajajo tako ali drugačno obliko izobraževanja odraslih v Sloveniji, formalne in neformalne programe, različne oblike svetovanja. Nacionalni program izobraževanja odraslih za prihodnje obdobje, torej ta je že tretji po vrsti, sledi priporočilom OECD-ja iz strategije spretnosti v obdobju 2017-2018, kjer je seveda pomembno, da vladna raven sodeluje z različnimi akterji in deležniki, ki prevzamejo svoje odgovornosti in vlogo izobraževanja odraslih, torej od nacionalne do lokalne ravni in seveda v povezavi z gospodarstvom, sindikati, razvojnimi raziskovalnimi inštitucijami, različnimi izvajalci.
So Slovenia is embarking on developing a new adult learning master plan. The goal is to set the priorities for the adult learning system, the priorities for helping adults upskill and reskill over time to contribute to Slovenia's economic growth and social cohesion. The OECD's Skills Strategy report from 2018 identified several things that Slovenia can do to help make this next plan for the adult learning system even more effective than the last plan. That includes making the plan more comprehensive, including more elements of adult education and training, including having something to say about private provision of adult learning, higher education's provision of adult learning, and other areas. It will be essential that in this next process, social partners are effectively engaged and the local level municipalities also have a say in helping to define the goals for the system over the next period.
I am happy to be invited here. I am a freelance and work in different fields inside the field of pedagogy with parents, with youngsters. My contribution today in the conference was that we can have all kinds of systems and all kinds of reforms which will not help unless we can raise the curiosity, the enthusiasm, the joy of learning and all these elements in school. The problem of the system is often that these elements are not measurable and the system always wants to have a certain control, and there is a conflict between this wanting to have control and raising creativity in school, raising these wild, joyful elements. That was the main thing I said today.
Okrogla miza je pravzaprav v slovenski prostor prinesla nekaj novega. In sicer udeleženci, ne glede na to, odkot so prihajali, so odprli vrsto vprašanj, na katere bo pravzaprav morala država v najkrajšem času odgovoriti za to, da bomo lahko ostali konkurenčni, da bomo lahko se primerjali z Evropo in ostalim svetom in da bomo pravzaprav v najslabšem primeru obstajali kot suverena država.